I'm afraid I have to cobble this together because I haven't got a printer at the moment. So, here we go. You'll recognise this one. Well, if you don't, that's why I sing it, so you recognise the words and then you'll know what the tune is. When you are alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music and the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon lights are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all the cares and go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure, downtown. Everything waiting for you. There we go.